Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. WeQueen sent me one of their headband wigs to try out. So we're just going to hop right into this video. So in the box, you'll receive 6 headbands. Your wig, wig caps, a satin bag to put your wig in, and your hair care instructions and a gift for you. They sent me the number 1B30 ombre grab and go headband wig, human hair wig, and this is texture 3C. I really like the curls on this wig, as well as the color. I really like the honey color on it. As you can see, that is your headband that you'll be adjusting around your head. It also comes with 3 combs for extra security. It also has one in the back that I'll be showing in a second, as well as this headband has adjustable straps as well, which I have not seen, which I thought was pretty neat. And as you can see, I'll be your lovely model today, modeling this wig for you guys, so just stay tuned for that. So as you can see here, I'm just showing you how I put my wigs on, which I like to put them on front to back. Now, I'm just playing with the wig here. As you can see, I did have baby hairs for the headband wig, but this wig, even though, the way I had it on, it just wasn't working for me, but just because I felt like it was a bit snug. I already have a small head, so I did try adjusting the straps, but it was still kind of snug. So I just pulled it down a little bit further on my forehead, and that seemed to work a little bit better, especially once I'm trying on the different headbands. Okay, you guys, so this concludes my video for today. WEQUEEN, thank you so much for sending me this hair. I really like it. As you see, I did pull out the curls on it, which I love big hair, so this was definitely right up my alley. Again, I love the texture, the color, it was very pretty. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and make sure you hit that bell button so you'll know when I post a new video.